I'm KN Mirabona Garcia, and I'm 31 years old. I actually live in Alaminos, Laguna, medyo malayo lang, but I traveled here to do my checkups and also kapag may mga concerns yung kids namin. So, dito namin sila dinadala sa Medical City South Luzon. Because of the services ng staff nyo and syempre yung doctors. We prefer to get the best for our healthcare. We actually plan to have kids the moment we got married, but unfortunately, for 4 years, wala. Nagkaroon ng miscarriage numerous times. Nag-try pa rin ako sa mas malapit to work out my pregnancy, fertility. So, wala talagang nag-work. After 4 years, then na-meet ko na si Dr. Pauline Reyes. Buti na lang, sa kanya ako napunta kasi my pregnancy was quite not that typical pregnancy. So, na-pregnant ako. Pero muntik na siyang ma-turn sa miscarriage. I was pregnant during the time ng COVID. And unfortunately, COVID positive ako at that time. So, maganda naman yung naging progress ng pregnancy, also the delivery, although cesarean. Dito sa The Medical City South Luzon, one of the most admiring lang is the way the staff handles the patient. Here in Medical City kasi you can feel na kahit medyo mainit na yung ulo mo, they are still very cooperating. Hindi sila pumakatol. Tapos, whatever your symptoms, they are acknowledging it. If you feel any discomfort, they are willing to assist you. Dr. Christine Lapus, so I am very thankful to her kasi she treats my children as like pamangkin. I am already recommending the Medical South Luzon to my friends and family. Yung isang friend ko nga dito na rin nagpa-workout ng apas niya. And fortunately, may baby na siya. But I am also recommending the department here, especially if they're trying to have baby. Kasi madami ngayon, they have PCOS, and yung iba nga, they don't have any knowledge with apas. So, I am recommending actually this hospital and the department